I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Acura TL oil light. Start by turning your Acura TL's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This ensures the vehicle's electrical system is active for the reset process. You'll then need to find the Sell/Reset button, typically located on your instrument panel or steering wheel. This initial step is crucial for accessing the maintenance minder system. Next, press the Sell/Reset button on your dashboard repeatedly. Keep pressing until the oil life percentage is clearly visible on your multi-information display. This percentage indicates how much life is left in your engine oil according to the vehicle's maintenance minder system. It's important to ensure you see this specific reading before moving on to the next step in the reset procedure. Once the oil life percentage is displayed, press and hold the Sell/Reset button for approximately 10 seconds. You'll notice the oil life display will start to blink, or a reset menu will appear, signaling that the system is ready to be reset. Release the button as soon as you see this indication. This action prepares the maintenance minder for the final confirmation of the oil life reset. To finalize the reset, press and hold the Sell/Reset button one more time for about 5 to 10 seconds, or select Reset if a menu appeared. The oil life display will then change to 100%, indicating a successful reset of the maintenance minder system. You can now turn off the ignition. Your Acura TL's oil life light is now off, and the system is ready to track your next service interval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.